I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox edits on mobile. To begin, you will need two essential applications, a screen recorder and a video editor. Many free and paid options are available for both. Make sure your mobile device has sufficient storage, ideally several gigabytes, to handle the video files. Planning your edit beforehand, even with a simple outline, saves a lot of time and effort during the actual editing process. Now, let's talk about capturing your gameplay. Open Roblox and choose the game you wish to record. It is crucial to start your screen recorder before you enter the game to avoid missing any action. Aim for high-quality footage, ideally at 60 frames per second for smooth playback. Remember to capture various angles and player reactions. This adds dynamic interest to your final edit. With your footage recorded, it is time to edit. Import all your clips into your chosen mobile video editing application. The first step is often trimming, removing any unwanted parts to keep your video concise and engaging. Next, enhance your edit with background music and sound effects to set the mood. Finally, incorporate text overlays and smooth transitions to guide your viewers through your Roblox story. You are almost done. Before exporting, meticulously review your entire video to catch any mistakes or areas for improvement. Once satisfied, export your masterpiece in high definition, such as 1080 pixels, to ensure the best visual quality. Select a common file format like MP4 for broad compatibility. Finally, share your amazing Roblox edit with the world on your favorite social media platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.